Welcome to the show. We have a great show today. This is part 3, basically the final installment of my series on making a Bowie knife from a lawnmower blade. If you haven't seen the earlier parts, go ahead and watch them. I will link to them. I'll have actually a link to a playlist here at the end of the video and also in the description below. In part 2, we actually finished up the knife, but today we're going to be testing it out. So as you can see, I've got it sharpened up, but it's not really sharp. I haven't spent a lot of time honing that edge, but it'll slice paper reasonably well. It's definitely not shaving sharp, but for what I'm going to be doing today, it doesn't really need to be. I just wanted to cut some papers so you get a sense of how sharp it is before we start in on this, and then we'll go back to the paper afterward. But you probably didn't come here to watch me cut papers, so let's get down to business. Well, that's it for today. I really appreciate you joining me. The Mowie Knife project is officially finished. I think you can see it's holding an edge very well. Obviously had no trouble with the cantaloupe, and really, I think handled itself pretty well chopping wood. If you enjoyed the show, please subscribe to my channel. I usually upload about 2 to 3 times per week. And if you want to see how this knife was made, I will post a link right here at the end to the 2-part series of the making of the Mowie knife. And with that, I think we'll wrap it up. Let me just say, whoever you are, whatever you're doing, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video.